Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I got a crapper today for you. This is a Powercraft, probably somewhere in the 50s. I took some notes just so I wouldn't mess up. This is what I found out about Powercraft. It's 4-inch jaw, okay? Powercraft is from the Montgomery Ward Company. The Montgomery Ward Company was a mail order company from 1872 to 2001. And all of the designs that I saw, this is probably the 50s. So, it's not a very sought after vise. So, because of that, what I'm going to do is strip this thing down. And I'm going to paint it a hideous color. I'm probably going to paint it fluorescence, and I think we're going to call this the Miami Vise Restoration. So, I say we get right into it. What do you guys think? What the hell, why not? Let's go. Alright, let's take this little crapper apart. What do you think? Sure, let's just take this thing apart. Hopefully you guys can see what the hell I'm doing here. Are you freaking kidding me? Alright, see what we can do here. Yeah, it wouldn't be a you want to watch video without barking dogs in the background now, would it? Oh my God, I can't believe that. I don't know why this thing's so hard to get off here. It's got to be wrong. Knew I'd break her loose. Knew I'd get it. Alright, so the base is off. When I had this flipped over, I see it's Milwaukee Tool and Equipment Company, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. But it says made in Japan. V112-1. Crazy, right? Alright. Let's start dismantling this chode here. Never taken one of these apart. Never even seen a Montgomery Ward vise. Looks like the Acme screw's bent too. Oh, it sure is. That's funny. Alright, so I don't know what's happening here, but some sort of hang on. Need more tools. looks like I gotta go that way. Wow, that's a piece of crap. Alright, everything on this is taken apart. Just gotta kind of try and remember how to put this thing back together after I'm done now. Looks like there is a screwdriver. Sorry for all the back and forth, guys. Looks like there's a C-ring in there. Ooh. That little ring just don't want to come out now, does it? C-ring is out. 2 washers. Okay. So looks like, alright, 2 washers. 2 washers, split ring. This handle is straight, but the Acme screw, there's a bend in it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let me get this shite out of the way here. Where is it? I think it's bent right here. Does it look bent to y'all? Or is it just my Corona's talking to me? I think it is. I do, I think it is. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to bring out the big guns. So I'm going to bust out the big guns here. I'm going to use my arbor press. See if I can't, alright, I see where it's at. It's right there. This thing needs a restoration too, and one day I'll get to it. But is not this day. I took care of that. Yep, I think we're good. Damn it, all that for that. I'm gonna pick this thing back up again. It's gonna hurt, it's gonna hurt. Oh, too heavy. There's really not that much paint on the base. Get it on there real good, and there we go. So I'm just going to slather this stuff on. Let it do its magical mystery thing here, and get all that old paint off. Oh, damn it, just got it all over me. Alright guys, we're back. So what we're going to do is just wipe this stuff down. Like I said, I didn't want it to be stripped down to pure bare metal. And it's just a waste of time for this little thing. I am going to throw this on the wire wheel and we'll get the rest of this paint off here. Looks like it was blue originally. Not quite sure. So many coats of paint on this. So we got this stripped down. It's still tacky and all from the stripper that was on there. I'll clean this down with a little bit of denatured alcohol. But I do want to hit the top of these jaws right here. There's some real snaggy spots. Oh, let me turn the viewfinder around. Sorry about that. There's some snaggy spots right up top here. I just want to hit that real quick, and I'll just throw it on my combination sander just to knock that down. I mean, they're actually very sharp to the touch. Alright, so I think you guys can see what I'm getting at here. All I did was smooth it down a little bit. I mean, it's nothing perfect at all. It's literally just running it on my combination sander to get the high spots down. That's all I wanted to do. Now it's not going to cut you as you're running your hand across it. So yeah, I think we're going to pick this up tomorrow morning, and we will, you'll probably see this again, but it'll be primered. I definitely want to primer it white. Alright, I'm going to start with the slide here. God, guys, this is hideous. But it wouldn't be Miami Vice without it, right? Get it? Neon colors. Miami Vice. All I need is the awesome theme music for it. Do 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 do. I can feel it coming in. Horrible singing, I know. How about key lime? Ready? Oh yeah. Jesus criminy. Thank God this is a crapper vise here. I got the heater going because it's pretty chilly in the shop, so if you hear a lot of electrical background noise, or that way you guys know what it is. Alright, there's key lime, the Seaside. Now we'll do the pink candy. Oh, candy pink. Sorry. Oh, that's pretty. Now watch this be the video that goes viral. Look at what this idiot did with a Vise. Alright, we'll let this stuff dry. Then we'll do a second coat on her. God, that's ugly. That's so good. A bit of grease in the pooper there. How was this again? Because there's that locking nut that goes in there. Did you believe I forget already? Ooh. Oh, this thing's hideous. So is it that way or is it that way? I think it's this way. Let me get a little bit of grease in this cam. I kept the handle original. Don't hold that against me. I just can't see paint the handle. But I'll paint the hell out of this ugly Vise, right? I got that in there. Try it again. Try it that way. I got grease all over the place anyway. Oh, this thing's really testing my patience now. All this for a joke. How come they make it look so easy on YouTube? Try and do it this way, it's not going to work. Holy criminy. I just ruined my beautiful paint job. I did too. I ruined my paint job. Well, I guess that's why it's the ugliest Vise restoration. Alright? I'll touch it up. Every time. Well, let me do a little bit of cleanup work on this. I'll retouch the paint up real fast, and then we'll do as a closeout on it. God, that's hideous. Oh, I love it. Give me a few seconds, guys. I'll clean her up real quick. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the Miami Vise edition, Vise restoration. It's probably the most hideous thing I've ever done, and I'm quite proud of it because of how gross it looks. So, like always guys, stay safe, be safe, and we'll see you next week with another video.